Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop continuation, previous unit. File, open. So just the JPG file, just I select this one. So then filter, I think earlier we done this part. Filter, distort, bevel, bevel. So give the angle, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So then select OK. It's coming like this way. Filter, distort, bevel. Can increase or decrease that. So just OK. It's coming like this. So then after that, edit, define pattern. Make it as a pattern. So then OK. So then close this. Cancel this one. Select object. Select object. Pattern stamp tool. Select the pattern stamp tool. Already selected that pattern style. So the brush shapes, select on here this one. So increase the size, the diameter of the brush. So then click on here, the previous unit say we have selected this type of patterns. So now select on here, the selected area. So then go to this select inverse. Select inverse, borderline selected. So now select the different patterns. So it's click on here. So the through the selected area. So likewise that background or whatever, say you can create like this. So then Control plus D. This. now close this one. Okay, now select this filter, render, render, lighting effects, lighting effects. Select the lighting effects, the different styles, lighting effects are here. So the light type also, spotlight, directional, omni, whatever say you can select from here. Light type, spotlight, directional, spotlight. So the intensity, so you can increase or decrease that. So likewise focus, you can increase or decrease that. Through the properties, so you can select this properties functions, increase or decrease. So then click the color picker through this one. So you can select the color picker also with the different properties. So then select this. So the different colors you can give. Cancel this. Filter, render, lighting effects. So this one spotlight. So likewise styles. So the blue omni. So you can increase or decrease this. You can increase or decrease this. So then after that, okay, coming on like this. So once again, filter, render, lighting effects. So the flashlight. So likewise, root lights. So likewise, three down, different types. The five lights. So you can adjust this. So then, so likewise, one by one, say you can do the different sizes, different angles. So then after that, okay, it's coming like this. Render, lighting effects. So likewise, distort, twirl. So likewise, zigzag. So the amount of this. So likewise, can increase or decrease the properties. So the style also you can change the different styles. So then after that, okay, it's coming like this. filter, distort, zigzag. So likewise, filter, distort, pinch. So the amount increase or decrease. Then after that, okay, it's coming like this. So just select the JPG file, you open this. So now go to this filter, distort, pinch. So now increase this. Say just amount minus. So then after that, okay, it's coming like this. Filter, distort, twirl. So likewise, render, lighting effects. The distort, twirl, pinch, zigzag. Later we'll come back to this. So now go to the file, new, then select OK. So likewise, say select this one. I open the JPG file. Select this one. These are dodge tools, burn tools, sponge. Three types. So just I select this one. Then select on here, touch tools. You can understand the effect on the picture. It's a makeup tools. Say the brush size, you can increase or decrease like this way. Say the minute point. Okay, so just up to this level. So you practice this. Later meet on next unit.